students. This week I'm working from home. So excuse a little background noise that is happening if there is. For this week, we're looking at types of sentences. We're going to start off, however, with conjunctions because conjunctions are used to make this particular type of sentence called compound sentence. So let's dive into what is, first of all, a coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is that word that joins parts of a sentence. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. What are these 7 coordinating conjunctions? They are what we call the fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Remember when we talked about the parts of speech and we said conjunctions are a part of speech? Well, here is where conjunctions come back to haunt you. How can you remember the coordinating conjunctions? You can remember the coordinating conjunctions by the acronyms FANBOY. F stands for, A stands for and, nor, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, yet, Y stands for yet, and so, S stands for so. So try to remember these acronyms. These are what we call the fanboys, and they're also called, what we said, coordinating conjunctions. What are the coordinating conjunctions used for? They're used to join, like any conjunction, they're used to join either words, group of words like clauses, and phrases. Conjunction joins 2 parts of a sentence that are similar. The conjunction can join, for example, words. Here's an example: I like tea and coffee. The coordinating conjunction here is and. Here's a second example: today is sunny and bright. And here is also a coordinating conjunction. They can be placed between words and also, like I said, clauses. So let's take a look at what the meaning of the coordinating conjunction is, because we don't want to just place coordinating conjunctions for placing purposes. We just want to understand what they mean. So today we're going to look at the meaning of each coordinating conjunction. The first coordinating conjunction here is for. What does for mean? For means cause. It means because, right? If you were putting this in a sentence, you can replace it with the word because. So what does it mean? It means cause. It gives you reason. It gives you an explanation, right? Here's an example sentence. I go to the park every Sunday for I want to see you. So I'm saying because, right? Because I want to see you. That's what it means. Because, for the reason that I want to see you. So for means cause. The other coordinating conjunction is and. This one is very easy because it just means addition. You're adding stuff. Here's an example. I like reading, writing, and speaking. I'm adding another one, right? And speaking. So the word and means addition. The other coordinating conjunction is nor. Nor means to give you a choice. There's an alternative. And not just any alternative. It presents an alternative negative to the idea presented already. So it's a choice between 2 things, not and not, basically. 2 things that are negative. What do I mean with this? Let's take a look at the example. It says, I neither love nor hate to watch TV. So you don't like this. Also, this thing I don't like, right? So it shows 2 contrasts. I neither love nor hate to watch TV. So it gives you 2 choices, if you notice, and both of them are negative stuff, right? Like no, they both mean no. The other coordinating conjunction is but. But shows opposite, the opposite of something. So it shows contrast. Here's an example. Television is a wonderful pastime, but, see the contrast there? But it distracts me when I am studying. Opposite, right? It's a good pastime, but opposite is that it's causing me to not focus in class. The other coordinating conjunction is or. Or also present choices. If you notice, nor means choice and or also means choice. It gives you two things to choose from, right? Nor, however, shows you two things to not choose from, while or shows you two things to choose from. Here's an example. Would you rather read a book or watch TV? So there's two options that you can choose from. Yet. Yet also means opposite. Which one of the coordinating conjunction means opposite? But, right? It's similar to but. Here's an example of yet. It introduces, like I said, an opposite. I always take a book to read on trips. Yet, I never read a single page. It's showing a contrast, right? I take it, however, or like, but means the same thing as yet. I never read it. The last coordinating conjunction is so. It means result, right? The end result, the consequence, the effect. Here's an example. I like to read, so notice, because you like to read, the result is I am a better writer. I like to read, so I am a better writer. And that is the meaning of the coordinating conjunctions. We're gonna practice right now. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here are some sentences that need a coordinating conjunction. They need to be joined. The little pieces need to be joined to complete the sentence. However, you don't want to use just any coordinating conjunction because some coordinating conjunctions don't make sense. And you don't want to use and for every sentence. It needs to make sense. With the meaning that you wrote in your notes, let's try these examples. The first example says, I am ready for summer. I want to go to the beach. Let's start with the word so. So means the result, right? I am ready for summer, so I want to go to the beach. Does that make sense? The result is I want to go to the beach. No, right? That doesn't really make sense. How about the word or? Or means opposite, right? I am ready for summer or I want to go to the beach. Is that two options? Are they asking for two options? No, right? That doesn't really make sense either. What about I am ready for summer and I want to go to the beach? That makes a little bit more sense, right? Because you're adding I'm ready for it plus I want to go to the beach. So the best word that fits here is and. Look at number 2. It says, do not eat the cupcake, blank the candy. Notice the word do not. It's already showing you a negative, right? Which coordinating conjunction has to do with two negatives, two alternatives that are negative? The word nor, right? Do not eat the cupcake, nor the candy. That makes sense. How about the third one? It says, I will eat a salad. I want something sweet. Which word can fit there? Can I put for? For means the reason, right? I will eat a salad for I want something sweet. Because you want something sweet, that's why you're eating a salad. But a salad is not sweet, right? So that doesn't really make sense. How about the word and? I will eat a salad and I want something sweet. That makes a little bit sense, right? You want a salad plus you also want something sweet. That makes a little bit of sense. How about the word but? But shows contrast, right? I will eat a salad, but I want something sweet. That also makes sense. How about the word nor? nor. I will eat a salad, nor I want something. No, right? If you use the word nor, usually the word either is there, either nor. So that doesn't make sense. How about but? I will eat a salad, but I want something sweet. But shows contrast, right? Salads and sweets are contrast. I want to eat a salad. I will eat a salad, but I want something sweet. You wanted something sweet, but you're still eating the salad, right? That makes sense. So if you notice in that example, some coordinating conjunctions change the meaning of the sentence. They change the meaning. So you don't want to use just random any conjunction. So let's say for that number 3, and if you say and, you're saying I will eat a salad and also you want something sweet. If you use the word but, you're saying I will eat a salad, however, or like in contrast, I want something sweet. So be careful. Some conjunctions make sense in the sentence and some simply just don't make sense. Here are the last 2 examples. I like pink. What fits there? And, right? And blue. I do not like crying. Notice the do not part. What conjunction will match this then? I do not like crying, nor, right? When you see the do not, it usually requires another contrast like nor. I do not like crying, nor screaming. And those are the examples I have for you today. A few things to notice. Once the conjunctions change the meaning of the sentence, right? So be careful. 2, some conjunctions do not make sense in the sentence, so don't use them. And lastly, remember that the coordinating conjunctions are what we call the fanboys, and you can use that acronym to remember it. For, or, nor, so, but, yet. Have a blessed day and do the activity for today. Bye, guys.